How to use timeline on Openshot. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video dives into the heart of Openshot, this timeline right here. So the timeline is where your video magic happens, so make sure that you know how to use it properly. The timeline stretches across the bottom of the Openshot interface. It's visualized as a series of tracks, kind of like lanes on a road. These tracks are where you arrange your video clips, audio clips, and even images. The tracks on the top overlay the text in the bottom. Think of your video as a story. Drag and drop your video clips onto different tracks to layer them and create a visual composition. You can use multiple video tracks to stack your files up like this. And for a visual composition, you can use multiple video tracks to stack footage. The order you place your clips on the timeline determines how they appear in your final video. So make sure to order them and make transitions when it's due. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.